So my last recording was not recording at all. So I'm trying this again on the 72% battery on my remote and 97% on my GPS. I'm gonna turn it this way a little bit. So notice there's a autonomous fight. Blah, blah, blah. I have an ND Filter 16 on there. It says ND16 Filter on my drone right now. I was using ND8 for the first video. So now we're doing this one. And like I said, I'm just doing a regular flight mode. This time I'll put it in film mode. Maybe it's a little slower, we can get some more footage. God dang, this thing is going off like crazy. Let me, since I did see what the drone looked like up there. Move this over here. Alright, camera. Calibrate the camera, the horizon before I go up. This time I'm going to hoping that now I gotta move this little ball again. I'm hoping this looks about leveled enough, about 3. Even on the ground it looks slanted, but let's see. I'm thinking what's happening is the wind is catching it while it's in the air. Battery's at, let's see. Not even for sure. Let's check this. Let's see if my flights are being recorded. Flight services. Do this real quick. Do that one. I actually like this one. Yeah, I know. So you guys are seeing me put my information in. Let's see. You kind of see my password, just my email. Thank you. Connect. Please connect to. So I'm not connected to the internet. So let me. Oh, no wonder. Turn my Wi-Fi on for once. That could be why my drone was not flying. It was flying correctly, but I was flying with no Wi-Fi at all. That's funny. So let me do this again. Alright, so tell you what, I'm gonna stop this recording. We're just gonna start all over.